Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Calimoto TV. Welcome back to the channel, and we are now here in Chico, California at Mike Knight Customs with the one and only, this is the world exclusive debut of the face that I talk about all the time. This is Eddie. We're Shreddog. Eddie, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So we're gonna be on the SuperBeast, so I'm dropping it off to him for the week. So let's do a quick walk around on kind of what we're gonna do. We're gonna leave some surprises for you guys, but the SuperBeast, here we've got, you can see, now that we've got the wheels, let's get a little better light here. So you can see the wheels are blacked out. So we gotta get rid of this chrome, right?
Chrome's going.
Chrome's going, so the bottom chrome, the handles, the chrome here, the mirrors, the emblems, all gotta go. And then we've got a few little things. We're gonna try to get these tow hooks blacked. I've got a set of tow hooks, but the only thing at the end of the day, which I wanted to do, was I wanted to leave the platinum style front and rear.
That's right.
Do you like it?
I like it.
All right, cool. So then back in, the headlights will be done at a later date. The taillights will be done at a later date, but the emblem we're gonna try to get done here. If not, we'll work on it later, but the mirror caps will be done and whatnot. But the big thing, the big thing that we're gonna be doing is we're going with the Bushwacker non-rivets, because I hate the rivets.
Yep, rivets are junk.
Very clean Bushwacker wide end. So you can see the tires stick out, and we're gonna tuck, well, not tuck the tires into the wheel wells, but we're gonna get the fender wells all nice and color matched. And
Which will also help with rock chips.
rock chips, and it's also just gonna make the whole, like the whole thing, I'm personally, I don't really like the wheels sticking out. Personally on the truck. Now I do like the wheels sticking out, but I like the wide body kit. So, you know, coming from more of a car, you know, car environment, the trucks, I get it, but I really wanted the fender flares. So we're
aggressive stance.
yeah, so it's gonna have that nice stance to it. So this is kind of phase one on what my ideas and plans are to do to the truck. There's gonna be some future stuff that we're gonna be doing, but this is kind of phase one. So you'll have to stay tuned. So Eddie, you're gonna be working on it all week, and we're gonna pick it up next week.
Yep.
Stay tuned for the reveal. So Eddie's got a Camry. He's gonna show us all his master paint work. And I'm excited because this is the first time I've ever had some of Eddie's black paint work.
Yep.
And so I'm excited. It's a little bit, but we're gonna try to get some more black on this truck. But stay tuned. So
see you guys soon.
brother. Thank you, brother.
Like always.
Hey everyone, so we're back here in Chico with our boy Eddie, and we have finally recovered the stolen truck. So all week it's kind of been funny because I posted up a video on my, or a couple pictures. I know it was the video from the owl cam of him getting in the truck, and I said this Mexican stole my truck, and then yesterday I put up a video that showed him vandalizing the truck. So we've recovered the stolen vehicle. Thank you, Eddie. Thank you. So let's do a quick walk around and see everything that Eddie's done, because it's just together now. Like it's perfect. So first thing you notice, yep, we have the wide body flares on front and rear, which really, for me personally, just really tied into the wide stance of the truck. Now it looks like, you know, the truck is, and the tires are more factory. So super rad on that. I bought tow hooks, but Eddie was like, I'm not pulling your bumper off. So he painted my tow hooks. So awesome, perfect. And then to the side, mirror caps, painted the gloss black emblem, blacked out emblem. He even took off the trim here and glossed that out. But one of the best things, one of the most things I'm excited about that he did was look at the shine on this. Now, it's crazy just because it just focused on the back, and it, like, you can see the RV in the back like perfect. So so as you guys know, these come, they're like bare plastic, and you look at them, or like Mikey said, you know, you drive too fast and they scratch. So those are now painted and cleared, so they're going to be like that forever and ever. One of the other chrome pieces from the platinum package is here, so we've body matched the paint. And again, here's the rear flare. God, that looks so rad. It's just so beefy now. So we color matched that, obviously. So we've blacked out the emblems. I don't know if you saw that on the front. Oh yeah, another chrome piece that we've blacked out here. And then back over to the other side, obviously same wide body. Oh, can't forget the step. We've chromed that out, or blacked that out, chrome from the chrome. So now it's just all, it's all complete. I love it. I absolutely love it. Well, it's subtle. It's subtle, but it's a big change, like for me, because I'm so used to seeing the chrome. So that was like my whole thing, was the chrome was, it was all right with the wheels when the wheels were silverish, but now that they're black, like,
Now it all ties in. It's all
so solid.
Yep.
So we have some other things kind of planned, but it's kind of future plans, what we're going to be doing next. So, dude, thank you.
Welcome.
Eddie with Shreddog here in Chico. I know it's a trek for some people, but you know, some of this stuff, the mirror caps, the emblem blackout, we can get that all done. If you guys ship stuff to Eddie, he can dip it. So if you guys follow the R9T Racer, I'll be out on that tomorrow out in A&S Motorsports.
Nice.
So we'll be there with that. But you know, the dipped carbon fiber.
Oh, yeah, check that out.
All of the paint. Just if you need anything that is paint related, this is your guy. So if you can put it in a box and you can ship it to Chico, we'll get some contact info from him so you guys can, you know, definitely hit him up. But if you're in California, it's worth the trek. It's worth the trek. So Eddie, again, thank you, brother. Thank you. And thank you guys for watching. And stay tuned, because we just got some more stuff for the motor, so you guys have to stay tuned for that. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button and smashing that like button. Leave me a comment. What's next on the SuperBeast? What do you think? What are we gonna do next? I don't know. Leave us a comment down below.
Suspense.
And we'll see you guys next video.